Hey guys, today I have some makeup and skincare haul, so we're gonna get started because there's no rambling here on this channel. So this one is actually from my sister. She gave me this little, oh, I thought it was cute, and then I realized that it's actually like a free pouch from KK Hospital. Alright, so we're just gonna look inside and see what it is. The first thing I see, this is from Lush. I've never tried anything from Lush, so this is my first ever Lush product, and this is the Cranberry Fizz Lip Scrub. It is 20 grams. There is sweet castor sugar, cranberry seed oil, and soft lips. Oh, it smells like strawberry soda. It smells fizzy. Yeah, because it's cranberry fizz. Sometimes I think I'm stupid. Oh, this is suitable for vegans, and it is self-preserving. Okay, so you know Lush is all about natural products. I'm really excited to try out Lush. So you just scoop out a little bit onto your fingers and buff your lips before licking off the excess. I will never do that. I'll use it in the shower and wash it off. Why would you want to eat your dead skin? Okay, so now this one, let's look at this thing over here. This is pretty nice in a velvet pouch, and this one is from the brand Guerlain, however you want to pronounce it. And this one is just a color blush in the shade Madame Rouge. I'm not too sure, but she asked me if I wanted some of this stuff, so I was like, okay. So she's actually she used this before. So this one is like strips. There's pink, and then there's this like peachy ones, and then a coral looking strip. This is how it looks like. We're gonna do some swatching. Gonna try and swatch the individual strip. Wow, so many S words. Okay, so right off the bat, this is not very pigmented, which actually is a good thing for a blush. This middle finger, you won't see anything. It is this like peachy strip here, which is very hard and like not pigmented at all. So actually the only things that you can see is this pink one, which is surprisingly a really nice color, and this one is surprisingly a very bright color. So what I'll do is just like swirl my brush around and get a mix of the colors. So the next thing inside here, let's just get this out of the way first, and this is just a pair of premium eyelashes. They're just false lashes. They are, I'm not sure what the brand is, but it just says Star Lash, and it's like by some Singapore company. It's just good to have some for one day when I actually feel like putting on eyelashes. But now we're going on to the most exciting thing, which is two Collistar products, and one is a blusher and one is a blusher eyeshadow duo. I'm not sure how she got Collistar because I don't think we have Collistar over here in Singapore. The Silk Effect Maxi blusher is called 14 Pesca. This is how it looks like, and if you lift up this tab, there's actually a brush over there which nobody ever uses. The blush looks pretty shimmery, but let us just, oh wow, very smooth. Let us swatch it and see how it looks. So this is how the blush looks like. Oh, you can kind of see the color actually. So if I blend it out, yeah, it is pretty shimmery. So maybe instead of a blush, I will use it as a highlight. It looks a lot deeper in the pan, like almost terracotta, but when you actually blend it out, it just looks like a pink highlight. Now this one is the blusher eyeshadow duo, and it is in the shade number 2, Amore. Tony Natural, Love Natural Tones. Oh, I should have just read the English. Okay, so I feel like there is a brush underneath, but it's not coming out. Well, one day it will open by itself. So let's see, eyeshadow duo. It's very pretty. It has this like imprint on it. It says Palami d'Amore. Not like I understand whatever that means. So the flower is more shimmery, and then this part here looks more matte. So this is the flower part and the matte part. So I can't really tell, but I'm gonna try it on my face and see if it's very shimmery. If not, I'll just use it once again as a highlight, as an eyeshadow. I just wanted to try out Collistar products because it seems like this brand has been around for a really long time. Next up, I have a box from Korea, and it is from the company Bellflower.com. I'll leave the link down in the description box below. Everything will be linked down there, and it is very well wrapped. There's 2 products inside here, and I remember choosing 2 different flavors, means like functions of 2 different kind of serum. So it's from the company Bellflower, and I chose 2. The green color one, it says Heartleaf Treatment Serum. They are all 50 ml, and then the purple one is the Daily Calming Serum. Let me show you the bottles. They are really pretty, very aesthetically pleasing, and I'm most excited for the purple one, which is the Calming Serum. So you just apply a few drops to your face in the AM and PM before a moisturizer because it's just a serum. So the purple one means that it is calming and smooth for sensitive skin. There is azulene EGF, lavender, rosemary, jasmine. Oh, it's a moisturized and oil water balance, so definitely got to shake it up. So let's see the green color one. Green color one is not as pretty because it is like a brown yellow color. Whoa. Okay, I see a trend here. I was looking for Calming because this one is Calming Effect for Sensitive Skin by Houtunia Cordata Extract. Basically rosemary leaf oil. Next up, we have a bag from Waseo, which is a website, and they sell different kind of products that you cannot find in stores. So there's two things over here. Oh, I'm most excited for this one because I've heard so much about this. This is the Yuchoo by Me Steam Silk Hair Pack. It is a big box. There are 5 hair packs inside here. Everything is in Korean, but the good thing is if you buy from this website, they enclose this English bit so that you actually know what to do. So this is how one pack looks like. It's very big size. So after you shampoo, you towel dry your hair, and then you pull out the hair pack and cover your entire head and hair. So you're supposed to massage your head with both hands so that the nutrients are well absorbed. And after 10 to 15 minutes, you can wash your hair and feel your soft hair. So that's pretty fast, just 10 to 15 minutes. I cannot wait to use this. I've seen so many before and after pictures where it looks rough, like this is the before, and then the after is like silky smooth. You can run your fingers through your hair. I don't know where else to buy this, but I think it's pretty cheap on Waseo. Okay, so next, this is from the brand Tahpre, and I actually got some Tahpre mask from Waseo before, but this one is a different one. This is the Special Care Mask, and I think that this brand is very special because they are like pure ingredients, and then they tell you 100% serum, no water added. So this one is 3 pieces. It's the Special Care Mask, which is a natural and safe but effective special care mask pack. Okay, what's important is that it says skin repair, lifting and firming. So you can see over here it says no water, which is very unique, and I thought that means that the mask will be very heavy and like those creamy ones that after you remove it, the residue will be left on your face, but it isn't. It actually soaks into the skin very well. Basically, it helps to calm your skin against dehydration for soft, healthy, luminous complexion. It seems like it also promises you some anti-aging effect. Okay, so now the last thing over here, this is actually gonna be a shorter haul. The last thing over here is actually something that I purchased myself out of the entire video. And this is from Shopee. I purchased this on Shopee, which is my favorite hair mask. This is the Shiseido Fino Premium Fino. They have different variation. They call it Shiseido Fino Premium Touch Hair Mask. You should search that, it's so good. So this is like my number 3, because I used once and I fell in love with it, and then I tried not to buy it, but I just caved and I just bought this recently. I bought 2 of them actually, so one of it just went into my shower last night. Let me explain to you why I bought 2, although I'm on a no buy. So this one is 230 grams. It's gonna last you for a while. This one, it smells amazing and I can see instant results. My hair is just bouncier and more moisturized. So one on Shopee is like $12 and something, and you still have to pay for shipping. That app really sucks my money. I always use a code. So I'll insert the photo over here of my price breakdown. I think I used a code, and then in the end, I used the Shopee coins, and in the end, 2 of them was cheaper than 1. So that's why I bought 2. Anyway, this is just like a backup thing, but I highly recommend this hair mask. So that's all for my haul. I hope you enjoyed this, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!